My name is Sacha Wood, and I am running to be your Women's Council Miami-Dade 2023 Treasurer. Since becoming a member in 2020, I have dedicated my time to serve you, our community, on a local and state level. As the past yearbook team leader in 2021 and now serving as your 2022 social media team leader, your current YPN board member, and Florida State Director, Florida Realtors, I am eager to apply what I have learned from my past and current leadership positions to better serve you. As your 2023 Treasurer, it will be my honor to continue to serve you, our members, and our community. So I humbly ask you to vote for me, Sacha Wood, for Women's Council 2023 Treasurer.